Welcome back to 2026 Thor Tellaro Sport 20YS. Today we're taking a full detailed look at this compact yet feature-packed motorhome that blends everyday drivability with serious adventure capability. If you're looking for a camper van that feels modern, practical, and ready for both city streets and off-grid camping, this one deserves your attention. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Thor Tellaro Sport 20YS has a clean and sporty van-style design built on a dependable chassis. Its compact length makes it easy to maneuver compared to larger Class A motorhomes, while still offering impressive interior space. The body features smooth side panels, bold Tellaro graphics, and large side windows that not only enhance the look but also allow natural light inside. The sliding side door provides convenient access, and at the rear, wide opening doors make loading gear simple and efficient. The wheels and tires are designed for durability, offering strong road grip whether you're driving on highways or heading toward a campsite. The alloy wheels give it a stylish touch, while the all-season tires ensure reliable traction. Up front, the headlights are sharp and bright, providing excellent nighttime visibility, while the taillights are modern and highly visible for safety. Large side mirrors offer a wide field of view, helping with parking and lane changes. Step inside, and you'll notice how intelligently the space is designed. The interior feels modern, with high-quality materials and smart layout planning. One of the highlights is the flexible sleeping arrangement. The Tellaro 20YS typically features a foldable sleeping area that easily converts from a daytime lounge or seating space into a comfortable bed at night. The cushions are supportive, and the transformation process is simple, making it perfect for couples or solo travelers. The compact kitchen is surprisingly functional. You get a built-in stove for cooking meals, a sink with running water, and a mini refrigerator to keep your food fresh. Despite its small footprint, there's enough counter space for meal prep. Storage cabinets and drawers are positioned above and below the counter, allowing you to organize utensils, groceries, and cookware neatly. Across from the kitchen area, there's a dining table with seating that doubles as a workspace or social area. It's a cozy setup, ideal for eating, working remotely, or playing games during a rainy day. The bathroom is another impressive feature considering the size of this motorhome. It includes a toilet and a shower, giving you the convenience of a fully self-contained camper. The layout is compact but efficient, making good use of vertical space. LED interior lighting runs throughout the cabin, offering bright, energy-efficient illumination. Power sockets are conveniently placed, supported by a battery system that allows off-grid usage. Curtains or window blinds provide privacy and help regulate sunlight. An air conditioner or ventilation system ensures comfort in hot weather, while proper insulation helps maintain temperature inside. Moving to the driver's area, the Tellaro feels very much like a modern van. The steering wheel is comfortable to grip and includes mounted controls in many configurations. The seats are supportive for long journeys, with adjustable settings for added comfort. The dashboard features a clear speedometer and fuel gauge, along with a modern infotainment screen in the center. Controls are logically placed, and visibility from the driver's seat is excellent. The pedals, including accelerator and brake, respond smoothly, and since this is typically an automatic transmission, driving feels easy even for beginners. Under the hood, the 2026 Tellaro Sport 20YS is powered by a reliable engine designed to balance performance and efficiency. It delivers enough horsepower to handle highway speeds confidently while still being fuel efficient for long trips. The braking system is strong and responsive, giving you confidence even when the vehicle is fully loaded. A rear-view camera comes standard in modern setups, making reversing and parking much safer and easier. In terms of performance, this motorhome handles surprisingly well for its size. The suspension absorbs bumps effectively, and the compact wheelbase helps with maneuverability in tight spaces. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring scenic routes, it feels stable and controlled. Pricing for the 2026 Thor Tellaro Sport 20YS generally falls into the mid-range Class B motorhome category, often starting around the lower six-figure range depending on features and upgrades. While it's not cheap, you're paying for versatility, comfort, and the freedom to travel anywhere. Common uses for this motorhome include weekend camping trips, cross-country road adventures, remote work travel, festival stays, and even full-time van life for minimalists. Its compact size also makes it practical as a daily driver compared to larger RVs. Overall, the 2026 Thor Tellaro Sport 20YS offers a smart combination of comfort, technology, and mobility. It's ideal for travelers who want the freedom of the open road without sacrificing essential home-like amenities. If you're dreaming about exploring new destinations with flexibility and style, this motorhome could be the perfect companion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed motorhome reviews.